Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. All right, so little peaks above the 200-day exponential moving average, back below, fighting with the 9-day. Bears really need to convert the 9-day. The new weekly pivot is at 4,007, so it's been dancing on either side of that tonight. If you are a bear, you want to see that 4,007 area, which is also volume weighted average price right now, seal off, and you want to see them break the Globex low, which actually I'm not sure if it's a Globex low. Yeah, it's a Globex low. Like 92 quarter, because that coincides with the 9-day, which is 93, 60 and change. You need to aim for a close below that area. If you can do that, then it opens up areas like here, the 100-day, the 20-day, things like that for a pullback to deal with the low from November 17th at 39.12 half. If you're the bulls, keep holding the 9-day. It's what you've been doing here, here, and here. Hold this. Try to take out the high, 40.49 quarter, and your goal this week is to close above that 200-day exponential moving average. Nobody really has to go to the moon. They just need to assert themselves at a couple of key areas, as we head into December. I'm not viewing this week as a week that's going to be super volatile. There's a consolidation here. One piece of news can absolutely change that on a dime, but I'm viewing this week as more of a continuation of the tape's desire to consolidate. As far as the week ahead is concerned, you got GDP on Wednesday, little non-farm payrolls. You got some inflation data, 8:30 in the morning. You have income and spending. You get the PECE deflator, and then you got ISM. So Thursday has got a chance for a little news-based fireworks, and then we've got the jobs report Friday, which is we'll be interested to see there. Outside of those events, in a vacuum, I think we don't do much. I think we hang out. Hourly chart, you can see we went into another consolidation. Now look, you got to remember, this is Thanksgiving Day. This is the Friday after. So you got a shortened day and a holiday. So expanded out of there. You got a gap here. 34 quarter would fill that. You can see the weekly pivot here. You can see this is the 9-day. So this is the area that we're really dealing with. Hourly mid-band is diving. If you're the bears, you want to seal that off. And you want to get back into here. If you're the bears, you want to get back into those 39.50s and get down and try to challenge stuff like 39 and change. If you are the bulls, you want to take out this consolidation area. But I would not be surprised if we found ourselves in some kind of a 70 to 80 handle trading zone, which is great for trading. That's a lot of elbow room to get a lot of things done as you wait on things like jobs and the late week inflation data for Thursday. So you've got hourly mid 40.13. We talked about weekly pivot and volume weighted average price being 4,007. Our proprietary moving average is right down at the big round number 4,000. So 4,000 to 40.13, 40.14 is going to be important on the open. I'm expecting, not that necessarily you're going to need your Dramamine, but I think it's going to jockey a little bit for position, and it might not want to commit to anything today. So I usually don't come in this kind of shoulder shrug, but on a Monday after a holiday, with nothing to really push it in either direction, you have to look at where are the key areas that are nearby and who can convert what. Don't overtrade today. It's going to beg you to overtrade. Don't overtrade. Respect your risk. Take your profits. Hit your day, and get to the next day. Really, the goal for us in the room, every metric that we wanted to hit got hit a hell of a long time ago. So what we are doing is we are hitting our day and moving to the next day. Hitting our day, moving to the next day. We'll take that into the holidays. We'll take that into 2023. So as we push into 39.98 here, I would not be surprised. We open in about an hour and 10 minutes if we didn't get a good look at 92 to 94 before we open. The question is, does it go lower, or is that 92 to 07 going to be the opening range for today? I'll be interested to see if it is. All right. Fantastic day. Be safe. Be healthy. Take care. Trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow.